turned on our Tivo recently, we noticed that all the lights were flashing, but nothing would work. A quick search on the internet indicated that this is usually caused by a defective power supply board or a hard drive. The Tivo model in this video is TCD652160, although the repair principles would apply to any Tivo with a power supply. I removed the cover to the unit and inspected the power supply. After inspecting the power supply, I noticed 3 capacitors which appear to be defective. These are located at C501, C502, and C504. They appear to be defective since the tops are bulging, and on this one there appears to be leakage coming out of the top. You can also feel on the top that they are bulging as compared to those that are not. That could very well be the problem. I removed all 3 capacitors and tested each one. These are 2200 microfarads, and with a 10% tolerance, anything above 1980 would be acceptable. The first capacitor I tested shows 485 microfarads, which is well below the limits and indicates that this capacitor is defective. The second capacitor shows 274 microfarads, which again is well below limits and indicates a defective capacitor. The third capacitor shows 715 microfarads, which again indicates a defective capacitor. I purchased 3 new capacitors on eBay for less than $2 a piece. After installing them, the Tivo unit turned on correctly. This was an easy and inexpensive fix. If your Tivo is malfunctioning, I suggest you check out the capacitors. It just might be your solution.